Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit pin-backed dome studs with a hand tool set. So here I have our dome stud, you can see there with the hole on the back for our pin back. Here is the pin backs themselves. This is what your fixing tool is going to look like. It has a domed part here for that to sit into nice and snug. And I'm going to use a nylon mallet as well. I have some cork fabric here. Now I'm going to take that backing pin, I'm going to push that through the fabric. That's fine. Just like that, it's poking through a little bit, as long as you can get an indentation so you can see where the pin is going to be. I'm going to find that center hole on the back and make sure the pin sits into that, just like so. I'm going to take my tool and with the dome section, we're going to place that on top, and then we're going to hammer this down, trying to make sure we keep this as straight as we can. So backing pin there, and there's your dome stud, all nice and firm.